Some persons look to material things to make them happy, while for others, true happiness comes from within. A positive mindset is an important ingredient in the recipe for a positive life. Meet IDI, a free-spirited and creative Jamaican who believes in the simple things in life. What was once a dump site is now the home of this humble nature lover who places tremendous value on the use of natural resources such as land from which he eats, water, plants, and he even finds creative ways to purify the air. He has for many years made use of his very meager resources to make a comfortable life for himself. Relying on his ingenuity and creativity, he has made good use of items that most persons would usually throw away. Don't take my word for it. Let's tour his amazing interpretation of a dwelling that he terms as reflection. Normally, when touring a house, there's a dedicated bedroom, bathroom, living room, kitchen, etc. But this is something to behold. So, let's go, let's go, let's go!
Come in. Hill, Rastafari, I live, yeah.
Man, I love this. The place is just so cute and clean, and this is the fireside. Nobody go up in there.
Yeah. Stop right there, so but you can look.
What are you doing?
What am I doing?
Yeah.
In terms of what?
In there now.
I'm getting the fire back flammable.
So where you use this fire for?
Huh? It's a purification I burn. If I restaurant about burn the fire purification and all this.
Yeah.
Then them promise me hellfire, why we can't do my own fire.
So you keep this lit all day?
Yeah, all night.
Just to purify the air?
Just to purify fire.
So you cook under there, sir?
No, I don't. I'm not doing that. I'm looking stove and something.
So why not cook under there? This is like a nice pizza cooking place.
No, this is nothing to do with pizza. No, I'm not going to do it.
It's this fireplace, yes.
Let me tell you the purpose of the fire. Put on pizza.
To purify the air.
Here?
Yeah.
The purpose of my fire is more important than even food and pizza.
True.
Heat, air, land, fire, the water, everything together. I had a fountain one time with that, but the pump gone bad, so
Here we have
the gate and hear the water.
We have the bath.
Yeah.
Oh yeah?
The gate and hear the water.
Alright, so tell us your name.
IDI.
IDI. I like that. IDI. Well, I'm Rochelyn and this is Sandra.
And I'm Sandra.
Okay. Yeah.
I just finished doing a house hunting video, so now we're here with you.
Well, see, then you know, if you want this is there.
Yeah.
How's this?
Yeah, so how long have you been living here?
More than 12 years now. No, here, so but community.
In the community.
Almost 50 years.
50 years?
50?
Community, yeah.
Wow. So what inspired this design?
I didn't 2 years in the word about inspired, you know.
Alright, so
That's why now we come out,
What
you know.
caused you to do this?
What caused you to do it?
Right, you know, I want to bust out a long time, but we are doing it in a little things how we live and deal with people. With kindness and, you know. We are going to school, we mash up art class, we just draw and fix and make and so we know say this I and I. So we just deal with it within this time now, you know.
I like how the place is nice and clean and
Different levels, different
open
open
space.
yeah. You know, just as you walk, you pick up.
Yes, man.
As you walk, you pick up, and then the place always clean.
To show some You have different sections, different rooms, right?
I did one card, got it.
What do you call
It's
it?
my palace garden. It's named the Vineyard.
The vineyard.
Okay.
Okay.
Vineyard reflections, because I show people that everything is a reflection.
Okay.
No matter how solid it will look to you.
This is a reflection
No
of
matter
you.
how shape, and that just means the stones, the trees, everything.
Okay.
Every
Okay.
single thing, the land itself, you know, the hillside, it's a reflection.
So this side is reflection number one. How it go? How it go?
Just reflectiveness of the whole complete solidity and life and nature. You know, it's that now. We're on a patio now, no
You don't have a
veranda
special
now,
fancy,
you
okay.
know. Because if you check it out, how the whole patio and veranda, you know.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
Is that
And
like?
like the hill was right down here to where we done
Check
the
it
whole
out.
dig out.
So if you build up the stone to
Everything.
make it look so
Every
neat.
single thing. This place used to be a mini dump.
Used to be a dump.
A mini dump, people just live on them house and throw it over here. Even with some of the stones at the front, it's like block and cement.
Yes,
Yeah.
yeah.
So we would go down.
Well, you did a very, very good job. I know.
Rubbish sheep, you know?
Calabash.
Yeah, calabash.
What tree is this?
Calabash, eat and go there, eat and drink out of them and things.
Oh.
Yeah, make all kind of things,
Cotton.
shake or whatever
So
you
tell
want.
me now, where you get
Shaker.
cactus or grow in the Mikla Kingston, you know?
I didn't know one for them there. You see, for you want anything work, have a work, you know?
Yeah.
Word, sound, power,
Yeah.
and action, you know?
Yeah.
Mango tree, what is this? This is like
That's a pear.
It's
Pear them
pear.
never come out, yeah. And an Eastern
Okay.
and stuff like
I like
there.
this thing then.
Don't pigeon
So,
them
so,
and go
so
back
what's
and
with the toys? I notice you have a lot of toys.
well, I'm still a child, you know.
You still a
Child of
child?
God, yeah. But I grow
Okay.
big, I grow big.
Okay, so that's you
know.
as a
So
child.
some people get too big and forgot how to live. You know, them serious about everything. Them, you
Okay,
know,
look,
them
there's
have
a
to
duck.
make. Them have to make things perfect. I mean, here, so the man can't perfect. So one more perfection than one. Then just be yourself. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
So,
I love it. I
Yeah,
love
you
it.
know?
Me see you have some duck over there, so.
yeah, and pigeons.
Pigeon
You know.
and-
Bird, how kind
Pigeon.
of birds come, man? Make a net over your head.
Yeah.
Anywhere them feel like to live, they live.
And so where you sleep? Show where you sleep.
Anywhere me say I want to show down something, I say I want to lay down and sleep, I sleep.
Let me see you have one bed over there. So much
Yes, but you don't
Now
need to
the
say you have to lay
mattress.
down on it.
Okay, that's for when your girl come.
No.
Okay.
No. When girl come or when girl leave. So if I identify the thing that them is. You know, so funny enough time I take the things that I know. And for me, you know. I end up I do somebody I say,
Somebody need a bed base and you,
no, that thing is taking us
and you give it away.
Oh, really? That's a vibration, man. You know, for share with people and live
Yes.
as
yes.
one, you know.
Love that. We love that.
And we still say Rastafari, because we say Rastafari govern all man and woman.
Rastafari.
Some people think like it's a religion or a vibration. It's a live it in a upfulness, you know.
So they look at herbal garden then. I know say herbal garden there.
I'm from there, no.
Oh, you're not planting
Because
flower
I have my
there?
own pipe and wait for the rain to drop little.
Rain?
Yeah. Anyway, I do want to go, it must fall.
Okay, okay.
So I say you don't have no like a farm?
We not on a farm. We not on a farm. We plant up little things already. We know it's my most.
No man, I
Moses.
mean the Rasta man, them
Okay.
farm man. You know me a talk
That's
man.
on a farm because I'm on a pipe so I can't go play stupid. But I plant farm without water. But we get access to things that we are bridging away.
Yeah.
Live together.
Yeah,
You know what I mean?
yeah,
If we are got a shop, we got a shop, not a rabbit that.
Where you cook?
Anywhere I put my stove and cook, lady.
So where stove?
Around there, so cold stove, all kind of thing. Where that
Oh,
go?
cold stove.
Yes, man. I want a gas stove to blow
So
me
why
up.
not that now?
That
That's
is
on
my,
the
it's my
coast.
local pipe, you know, you can wash your hand and refresh it.
Oh, you have water in there. Don't bother waste out the water, man. Don't bother waste out the water.
No, it's not waste. It can't waste neither. I wash my hand.
And then use the water to water your plant.
Yeah, whatever.
Water harvesting.
It's just a work, man. Work day and night. Work, clean up. It's a work, you know.
Planting.
Good for something, but no fruits and something, but me, like a merengue. I know I don't have no banana, you know. Used to call it mini St. Mary, you know. Banana, you know. Plant and banana used to swarm the place.
Hands there too.
Ants? Yeah, that's why I'm not to have now. One of them food vibes about cook and sell. You just want it to be what it is. You know, no alcohol business, you know.
Yeah.
It's gonna be with yourself, look man, naturally.
Yeah.
You know?
It's a natural
Planting.
way of living.
Me call it
Kingston.
planting banana, you know.
It's planting.
If I say we eat
Planana.
a planana.
Planana.
You can't eat banana like how you eat planting.
Listen to me, you
I
eat
say
banana
you
plant the same way.
You peel the planting and just eat it up without
Yes.
cooking
Some
it,
people
right?
do it.
With it
Without
ripe. No green banana, you don't peel it with the green and eat
No,
it.
me talk
Yeah,
about
with it
you-
ripe, you never eat plant, you say? You're joking, man.
raw stuff. Not like
You
how
never
you
put,
raw.
put planting in a microwave yet
It's
and
not
warm it
raw.
up.
If you
No.
peel the banana, it's ripe just like the banana, eat it. It's
Like
not
that?
raw, yes. It's not raw.
Oh, I've never-
I want to say it's better than going to pack of fry too.
True, you
Keep
put
it
in an
oil.
oil and yeah, but I've never had it like
You'll
that.
try it, you get a
I
ripe
will
plant.
try it and eat it
Yes,
like that
man.
because it's steamy.
No. That is a ripe plant. Yeah.
Rastafari.
You have TV?
Yes, oh my gosh, I have a nice TV.
Woo! I'm on a TV.
Flat screen.
I'm hoping that you can see yourself.
Yeah.
Anything you see like that, you get.
Anything you see in it, it's a show.
So this is that a show. We
It's
there
a show.
now.
Okay, so we're on TV now. That is what you
Yes,
say.
exactly.
Oh,
TV.
okay.
Anything there. This is what I go on TV now.
Yeah.
So anything you see, I eat.
Listen to music more than ever. Huh?
Look here, him have a radio up there that
1932.
I in a
yeah.
book me see it.
Is that
I'm gonna go look on the radio.
Is that virgin give away the end of it? Rasta put this in your house.
Okay,
this one stop working.
Rochelle.
This one must get vexed and stop recording.
Stop it, look here.
This one get vexed.
Hey, a long
this-
time when I see this,
Yes,
Someone say
this.
only in a book you see that.
It's a 8-year-old radio.
I say Bob there.
Yes, man.
Are you
Bob.
this?
That's me, yeah.
Are you that?
Yeah.
Wow.
Oh, where's
Yeah.
No man, I can upload. Hey,
book?
I love it. I love it. I love
What
it.
is in this room? We can go
This
there?
is just, you know, no matter about kitchen, but we just built up to put the things in, but I'm not done yet.
Okay.
I
yes,
me even
fine.
build it up down, I'm not cooking it. Out that door, I cook.
Oh my God.
So to me, I'm a tool,
But you
man.
want a French man?
Then, I want alone in there.
You know what? Who
No,
blend
I
that? That's how when you used to blend
Oh,
up your
that's fucking
roots. You blend up your roots, that's
Yeah, I blend up all kind of something. The
Yeah.
plant and anything. The meringue, see them,
I can go to her, sir.
Okay.
you know. It's just a vibration. So,
Yes. Nice. IDA. Where's it?
IDI.
IDI.
It's the simplest saying.
I noticed you have a little bar stool, bar cart.
No, take bar out of my life, lady.
Okay.
Take bar out of my life. Just have a look at cat.
A little card.
It gives everything. See, they're alright. So me when I'm here there, huh? So I'm ready to spawn to put the pan.
Oh,
yeah,
I'm
yeah,
going to put it on
yeah.
there, so I'm going to put them out there, so.
But look, see one of your banana.
Yeah, right, yeah. So they already can get few up here.
Yeah, me can take one?
Yes! Anything them there for the, everything we get inside as well as fruit, I'm there, but I'm going to keep it. Don't got like a dollar feet, I do like that.
Thank
We see
you,
we sell
IDI.
life too much.
Yes.
So you find some people come here, you sell this, you
Oh,
sell
yeah,
that, so you sell
share.
it.
Yeah.
No, I'm not selling
There you
life.
go.
I embrace life, you know.
Right, let's taste the banana. The
So you see
fruit.
like how you feel that now? Same say deal the plant.
No, I can't eat plantain. So.
You have to go try it, lady.
Have a try.
You mean that, yeah. That's why I'm stuck with. You know?
Well,
You know how we go about things.
yes.
Stuck in a spelling word.
And everything me I go
Stuck in a
try.
shapes.
True.
So I show them say no, it can't be just square round, sir. And go
Nice
what shape
man.
that stone there, you can't tell.
The
Say
banana nice.
multi-faceted.
No.
I'm gonna be right here, but just put it round, it's about 2 days ago. Yes, I see the fire blazing. Yeah, you know.
I cook up more. It's
And when you
fire.
do sit here, you know, you know, but really pay attention to it. You sit here, you don't want to
relax.
at night, all full moon, you don't want, so when it just does, come sit up, man. See. You're not ready to go look for the fire. It's there, you know what I mean?
Oh, it's the reflection.
Reflection. Just a
Reflection of the
reflection.
fire in the mirror.
It's just a-
I love it. It's cool. You know, you have the tree and the wind and it's peaceful.
Oh, there's a try, I know the feel good there, the hill, the green right there.
Yeah.
There's so much things that my people now notice.
Mhm.
This beyond. I think global warming a trick.
Mhm.
You know, it's what man a do
Mhm.
to the atmosphere and everything and it, you know. A global warming a trick and a business trick. The man create all of the vibration, you know. Them can't do nature nothing. Them can't regulate it. Them will get it regulated. You know, so that's serious energy and me have to embrace it them way.
I love it. I not telling no lie. I love it. I love it. You have a little here right or something.
Yeah, you know.
One thing there, full of mirror.
Yeah, you know. Them things have to keep the reflection going.
Oh, that's like a reflection. I just have to pick it up now.
No, just that I'm telling people that it's just a reflection.
So I just say I walk and just pick up the trash all the time.
Yes, you know, I don't have time, man. I don't have time.
It's such a something.
Yeah, because we don't have time. We don't have this, we don't have that.
6 acres.
Yeah.
Right. So you
I just, nobody not trouble you.
Any like trouble me like.
I cannot.
No, man, we have people that kind of walks at people with. But no, nothing. Don't worry about it. Like. We don't worry.
Mm-hmm.
We learn to worry.
I love it. What kind of food do you eat besides the fruit? fruits. You eat meat?
No man, then the meat I call one sitting on hockey and I eat hockey till the daily.
You eat more
Sometimes even up here, put down on my youth. You know? So, because if one cooking and let them get to them one and I take out mine and I'm going to get them up on the yard.
Yeah, I like your yard, but not telling no lie,
So,
your yard
you know,
nice.
see the hill there, bush up now, weed it out again. We're still working, we're still packing stones. Tires used because, you see me that just do the thing them just so, you know. So it will have an energy and an impact on a lot of people certainly in terms of how we use the energy them. Like if for instance the tire is signifies me acknowledge and pay credence to the ones them I and I black brother and sister with them slaughter about the tire trade and all them things all about in Africa. You don't even know what them things they can go research it. Gold, all the things that we have them slaughter or find something. So it's a representation for us say yeah. We're there, hold up the energy with them. You know?
So when rainfall, sorry for cutting, where you go?
No man.
You don't get wet up?
The place wet. But I don't need no map on it though. And I want
the best way to look on it that you don't need to map.
But just, yeah man, go for it dry. Yeah, just like it in your house and you come out in
rain. You don't need no air freshener, you have the freshest air.
And when I do my kind of air freshener, would be like me thinking to a shell them, I use them as an incense, orange peel. I mean to follow back at the wood for incense where I come from, this I come
listen from. Listen man.
So down night, why don't come on night vibes?
I'm gonna come back.
6 o'clock, 7 o'clock, you know, in case through the curve you know, and come late.
Yeah.
Yeah man, and come see a complete different
this a life, you know, them something in life.
So you see,
them thing in life.
I show you say nothing old, nothing new. It's just a rotation.
Yeah.
You know, all things. Yeah,
thank you so much, Idea.
I
appreciate it,
Rochelle. Mama.
Sandra Lynn.
Sandra Lynn, yeah. Alright. Yeah man, free for pass through man.
I appreciate it.
I live on that freeness, but not freedom. Nothing dumb about my freeness.
Yeah. Yeah.
You know, so I watch word carefully, you know. That will get to learn word more and more way up to. Like that word sound is power. So you have to be careful of it. You have to know you take it out or you let it go.
Appreciate it. Big up yourself. Go on your thing, you do well. Man. The place nice, clean.
Yeah man, catch some fire. Burn room going on the road, you know. Passing through.
Look at the chalice. Coconut chalice.
Yeah man, the good old dreadnought, you know. You want a little smoke.
Yo, it smells so good.
You know about it? You know about it?
You know about it?
Yeah man, you know about it. That's kind of nothing. Keep, you know. But now force to do it, you know. Yes, give thanks. Thank you. Go on, come on. Come on. Keep left. Go on, keep left.
Keep left.
The place is a place where you have to get cornered. No one way. One piece of a find up now, 1 yard to 1 corner and stuff like that. From me end up with 3 pots and I get up give over there pot out. And then they give it 3 pieces of fight like somebody can catch. So I share life straight, you know.
So that's the end of the tour. I hope you learned something. I said that life, you can be happy if you choose to be happy, because somebody may look at this and think, you know, I have all the material things of the world, so there's no happiness, but he's happy in his element, you know, doing his thing. And I want to tell you, it is quite peaceful, windy, nice, clean. I don't know, it's just a feeling that you have to experience for yourself. So thank you so much, and remember to follow me at Rochelle, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!